One thing that I have learned from the previous webinar is if you're rooted with your spirituality, it can become a compass towards living a moral life. So tulad ni Teacher Ted, naging guide niya yung kanyang paniniwala and yung kanyang spirituality towards living a meaningful and fruitful professional and personal journey. The two facts na very interesting sa buhay ni Teacher Ted is that yung dedication niya sa pag-aalaga sa kanyang mother. So nakita ko lang doon pa rin yung willingness, yung respect, and yung love na kahit na very successful yung kanyang professional journey, pinili niya pa rin alagaan yung kanyang mother. So the next one is yun nga, yung kanyang educational attainments. So very inspiring yung naging kwento ni Teacher Ted from the webinar kung saan marami siyang na-touch na buhay. And with that, naging inspiration ito sa akin na bilang isang teacher din sa hinaharap na makatouch and ma-inspire ang buhay ng aking mga estudyante and yung mga tao makakasalumuha ko. The three values that I got after listening sa webinar is first yung value ng time, wherein life becomes very centered sa paggamit ng technology and it becomes busy lately. It is very important pa rin to give time to bond with our fellow members of the family, especially the elderly. So the second one is the value of respect, wherein very important for us to pay respect to those elderly, especially sa ating mga lola and lolas kasi they are the foundation of the family. So sa kanila tayo kumukuha ng strength and important na ma-feel nila na nire-respeto sila. So the last one is the value of love, kung saan importante na bigyan natin ng pagmamahal and suporta yung mga members ng family natin na nakakaranas na ng feeling of hopelessness sa kanilang buhay. With that, I am committed to give importance sa aking pag-aaral. So, naging inspiration si Teacher Ted upang pagsumikapan at pagbutihin ko bilang isang ganap na values education student and educator in the future tulad niya. So, the second one is that I commit to become faithful kay God that despite all the challenges and all the problems ahead of me sa aking journey, magiging meaningful and magiging successful itong journey na to dahil alam kong He is guiding and He is protecting me. So, the next one is that I am committed to be understanding and be patient sa pag-handle ng mga matatandang member ng family. Wherein ngayon, mas kinakailangan nila ng mas mahabang pasensya dahil nasa point sila ng buhay nila kung saan they are very hopeless na. So, the last one is that I am committed to be there for my mother when the time comes na tumanda na siya. So I want to give her all the love and support that I can give para iparamdam sa kanya and also to pay din sa mga sacrifices na binigay niya especially sa pagpapaaral and pagpapalaki sa akin. That's all. Thank you.